If you're thinking about Grand Hyatt Dallas Fort Worth, this video is for you. I'm going to compare 3 different rooms so you don't have to and see which one is worth it. You can get a standard room like this for free on points, to an executive suite like this for on around $400, to their penthouse suite, which is unknown price. Come join and find out. Grand Hyatt is located on the land side of the airport before security at the D gates. Go up the escalator to go to the lobby. Let's start out with how to book. Go to World Hyatt website or app, hit DFW, and then you can see all the different room types that you can choose from. To save money, let me show you how to use points for a free stay. Click on the use points icon and it'll show you what type of room are available. You may have to play with a calendar to look at redemption times. Well, let's start a review with a standard king room. It's overall a cozy room, has either parking lot or tarmac views, has a little day sofa and day bed, a desk, coffee maker, a stand-up shower, and a tub. Let's check out room number 2, the executive suite. The shower is exactly the same as the standard king, just has a bigger living room where you can relax, stretch out. The bed's the same, and the views are usually the tarmac views. All the rooms carry Balmain products. Some people love it, some people hate it. And to my favorite room in this hotel, their penthouse suite. As a Hyatt globalist, sometimes you could be upgraded to this room with no additional cost, and that's one of the main reasons you should stick with Hyatt, one of my favorite hotel brands. 3 large windows that overlook the tarmac, lots of travel related items that decorate the room. So fun, such an awesome room. One of my favorite parts about this room are the window shades that open up with 3 vast windows that overlook the tarmac. So for plane enthusiasts, this is such a fun view. And for folks who need to sleep during daytime, all the bedrooms could be blackened out. The shower is one of my favorite showers throughout the Hyatt program. They have locker room closets with robes and slippers. The shower has dual shower heads, in addition body jets, and a tub. The fitness center has free weights that go up to 50 pounds. There are treadmills, other machines. In addition, there's an outdoor pool that overlooks the tarmac. You must check it out. If you're a Hyatt Globalist member, you get free breakfast, and the breakfast is excellent here. They have fresh squeezed orange juice. Not many restaurants do that anymore. They also have a French press coffee. So overall, I think the winner is the standard king room, which you could get for no cost with point stays. I think executive suite is nice for larger families. The penthouse suite is not bookable, but you could be upgraded as a Hyatt globalist. Hopefully this helped you. Thank you so much. If you like this, please click and subscribe. That'll help me very much. Thank you so much.